If you're managing diabetes, it's essential to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. While I can't provide medical advice, I can share some refreshing morning drink options that may be beneficial for diabetics. 1. Cinnamon tea. Cinnamon is believed to help regulate blood sugar levels. Brew a cup of cinnamon tea by steeping a cinnamon stick in hot water. It's a flavorful and potentially beneficial choice for diabetics. 2. Bitter gourd juice. Bitter gourd, also known as bitter melon, has compounds that may help lower blood sugar. You can juice bitter gourd and consume it in the morning. 3. Fenugreek water. Fenugreek seeds are rich in soluble fiber and may help manage blood sugar levels. Soak fenugreek seeds overnight and drink the infused water in the morning. 4. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties and may contribute to better blood sugar management. 5. Basil tea. Holy basil, Tulsi. Tea is known for its potential benefits in diabetes management. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes.